Good morning. Today is Tuesday, May 12, 2020.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Today is May 12, 2020. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. The month of the year is May, and next month will be June. Today is Tuesday, May 12. The weather is partly cloudy. Don't forget to stop those germs by washing your hands.
So for today's morning workout, you'll find a video named Go Noodle, and you could use that as your daily exercise video. Remember to be active at least 30 minutes a day.
For today's agenda, we're going to be working on math. It's okay to take breaks. Contact me if you have any questions. Today I am feeling happy because it's Tuesday.